education policy. He has been standing with us right from yesterday till the last point now. Thank you very, very much. Have a great evening. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. At last, I extend a really heart vote of thanks to organizing chair Professor Nitish Purohit.
Thank you. So it is indeed a great opportunity to deliver vote of thanks in this prestigious event before this August gathering. But before that, one more important ritual is required to be completed. So I request Director of IIIT Allahabad, Professor P. Nagabhushan, to honor our guest of honor who is physically available here with us with a shawl and shrifal and bouquet. Please, sir. We have designed, yes, sir. We have designed a beautiful memento as well. And you might have noticed there is a entirely fresh, newly designed logo for this flexible academic program. This has been designed by the Visual and Arts Department of Banaras Hindu University, BHU, which is, I guess, the best or somewhere very close to best in India at least. So Professor Manish Arora has designed it. And if you find some time, I request you to go to our website, conference website, and just see the illustration. It is so such a deep thought has been given over there that in the lower part, actually, I am also part of the design team. I take liberty of 2 minutes just for explaining this thing. If you just see the lower part, it's a kind of you can say एक छोटा सा दीपक है और एक पार्ट में F लिखा हुआ which stands for flexible, बीच में A लिखा हुआ which stands for academic, and then the right hand side is P. So FAP is embedded there in this bottom part of the logo, and it is representing Diya, which is the light of Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay kind of thing. What we all are doing, we are only wanting more light in our wisdom, our knowledge. And then you see that this A is something over which they created a people tree. So people is so auspicious, and we all understand its importance. And then you will see that this is ultimately surrounded by an more or less a Shivling. And Shiv is ultimate knowledge that we know nothing. Shiv itself means which is not there. So it is so beautifully designed, and it is so thoughtful. I am really thankful to the logo designer team. And this is something because of mixed mode conference, because of the online joining of our other guest of honors, we could not deliver it right now, but definitely we are going to post all this to their respective address. And I am sure that they will get it within 1 week or so. So thank you so much, sir, for being here. And it is just a memento, and as Professor Nagabhushan sir has rightly pointed out, it is not a closing ceremony. It is actually a starting ceremony. It is actually a launching ceremony for this flexible academic program, or at least discussion in this particular direction. This is very, very important. And I have been here since last 2 days. I have very carefully noted down the views of all the experts. And I must appreciate and must extend thanks to all the panelists. And they have actually read it very thoroughly. When they speak only for 5, 6, 10 minutes or so, but when they are speaking, it was clear that actually they have thoroughly studied the draft of the flexible academic program which I circulated to them. And they actually, within 5, 10 minutes, given a very thoughtful directions. And as I said earlier as well, we have noted it down. We will compile all this. We will take possibly 10, 20 days or a month, but we will definitely come up with a compilation, a modified document, and as suggested by our eminent speakers, definitely we will send this in the hard copy form as well as in the soft form to all the institutes, and it should be discussed in the Senate of respective senates. And yes, I agree with this another innovative idea of Professor U.B. Desai, which is supported by all other eminent speakers too. This is something which must be discussed at the Gymkhana level. So two Gymkhana representatives are standing besides me. So, so we are going to send you a document, and this is something your vacation has been started. So a job to you. Okay. So I am really thankful to Professor Tiwari ji, Director of IIT Kharagpur, uh, and Professor U.B. Desai, Professor Prasad, and many other eminent experts who have spared their valuable time. And I am observing that almost after the post lunch session, all of you are here and giving your thoughts, sharing your thoughts, and giving a very valuable input, sir. I am really thankful to you, and I am really thankful to the chairpersons, the coordinators of different tracks. In this conference, in parallel to the panel discussions, we also invited new ideas, because NEP 2020 is something over which almost every institute is doing something independently. And there are several provisions. So this was the aim of floating this 4 tracks, and their coordinators are there. So this is also something, whatever we have received, it will be part of the compilation that we are going to prepare. So I sincerely extend my thanks to the coordinators of all these tracks who have done a wonderful job in compiling and presenting the received inputs over here. I am thankful to Director of IIT Kanpur, IIT Mumbai, and IIT Delhi. They nominated their expert, and their nominee really helped us a lot. In particular, nominee of IIT Kanpur Director, Professor Vimal Kumar, he traveled to Allahabad. He has been with us since last 2-3 days. He almost attended all the sessions, and every time actually we used to have discussions, and we used to note the compilations. I sincerely thankful to Professor Vimal Kumar sir, and it was a great support, and I'm looking forward for the continued support from your end. Already you have promised, but still then it is officially in the recording actually I am saying this thing. Okay. So and similarly Professor Pritha from the IIT Delhi, she very well moderated one of the session, and Professor Patankar from the IIT Mumbai, she has also deliberated very well. And we are very fortunate that almost from wherever we approached, everyone more or less agreed, and they joined the panel discussions and they shared their thoughts. So I am really thankful to all the panelists. The list is really long. It is very difficult to name each and every one. But I am extending my gratitude to all the panelists, and I am looking forward for more responses from each one of you. Now coming back to the IIIT, I have a huge team over here, which is headed by the director of IIIT Allahabad, who has helped us in all the ways, not only in the academic contributions, but facilitating all the administrative and logistic support over here, and without which all this could have not been possible. So very sincere thanks to you, sir, on behalf of the entire organizing team, that you led us from the front. Then all the members of our team who are present here, who are there and who have joined online. Once again, the list is long. I am not taking any particular name, but we all know that we have been working together, and we have been working without bothering that our name will be there or not. And I am fortunate to have such a team. So I really extend my heartful thanks to all. all of you, all the faculty members. And last but not the least is our Gymkhana. A student, without institute, there is no institute. The institute means student and the faculty. That's it. The buildings are not the institute. And our students have extended their support. And I really appreciate students Gymkhana at IIIT Allahabad Prayagraj, our volunteers. And there is a team of 8-10 students who have helped us. Almost whatever we say, they do. We are fortunate to have such a student. Just to say something, and I don't know how they are doing, but they are doing. They are capable of doing it. So that's really wonderful to have such a team. And at last, thanks to our network team, because organizing a mixed mode conference in such a flawless manner, it is next to impossible. In fact, we all have seen the convocations we all have been organizing since last 2-3 years because of COVID, which is a simplex communication. Only you need to speak. Students more or less in most of the institutes are not supposed to speak. Still, then it is so difficult. And these people have enabled the duplex communication. I am a communication engineering man, so I have to insert somewhere the communication as well. So it's a duplex communication. They have enabled it, and my team, I am very thankful to you all. And at last, thank you very much. Namaste.